We're doing it on Omega, and I forgot to go like that. There we go. Episode 414, part 1. Tri-Brigade Dragoon versus what did I play again? INVOKED DOGMATIKA. Okay, kit link for Al. Kit dump Nerval at Karis. Discard Nerval. Special summon. Karis banish. Those two for Bearbrum. Linked off for Rugal, Bearbrum, Grave Effect. Add the Revolt. Shuffle or return to the bottom of the deck. Pot of Prosperity. Set the Imperial and Revolt. Last turn. He's gonna draw. He's gonna Terraforming. And then Meltdown. I should have probably just activated this right away. Meltdown. Imperial Order. Negate. Alistair. Effect. I thought I did not. Yeah, I did not have any space here. I did not have any link arrows. But Almirage contribute itself. Target a monster. That monster cannot be destroyed by card effects. Alistair would add the Invocation. It's gonna Almirage. And then into Secure Gardna, Maximus, Banish, Special Effect. It's gonna send Ash Dragon and Entis. And then I sent Magic-Key Beast and Lambda. Entis will pop the Imperial Order. Talent, it's gonna pot Greed. Dear Servant, sending Apollo, adding Ecclesia. Napcolon, adds Schism, and then discard Beast. Is it a discard Beast? You could add, then discard from your hand. Okay, Beast. If it's sent to the grave, draw a card. Ecclesia, special summon. Ecclesia effect, add for release. Set 4, and then I'm gonna Revolt. Now I have room. I could use this slot here. Do 4 for Shureg's Chainlink 1, 2 Nerval, 3 Kit, 4 Fleur, 5 Rugal, Special, Karis, Fleur, Negate, Shureg, 3 dump, Kit, 2 add from Nerval, and then 1 is negated with the Fleur de Lis. Yeah. Ash Dragon's gonna get end phase Ecclesia. End phase I get Karis back with the Rugal's effect. I draw Fractal. Go into a NEXUS code. Rugal's effect. It's gonna decrease 300. And then Schism. Banish. Those two for Winda. And then if the card you sent to the graveyard, then you could send one. Send to the graveyard one monster your opponent controls with the same attribute as that fusion summoned monster. Dark. Wow, there goes my access code. I thought it was over from here. Yeah, I was like, well, I don't think I can special summon anymore, but I was able to special summon Karis. I was like, am I gonna be able to? Am I gonna dump itself? Or am I gonna be able to special summon, and I saw Karis, and Karis was lighting up, says activate, that means to special summon, so I special summoned. I did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Shureg. Shureg is definitely gonna banish that window. And then I almost timed out here. Wait, was this game 1 or game 2? Okay, never mind. Karis, discard special. Karis 1, 2 for double Dragon Lords. Send to bounce. What that? I forgot. Oh yeah, I did almost timeout here. Yeah, went for the Dragoon. Verte Dragoon. I heard the timer going. I'm like, oh no, what? Pop. Right here, I was gonna make this guy a dark with Verte that then I negated. I did not have time to calculate. I was like, man, if I attack, like Ecclesia cannot be destroyed by extra monster zones, extra deck monster zones, extra deck monsters from the extra deck. I'm like, let's go for it. Attack. Let's do it. Exactly 0. Wow. If I tried doing some math there, I just probably would have timed out, but I had to risk it, and I came up on top. Is that game 1? Yeah, I think that was game 1. Prod of Prosperity. I did Prod of Prosperity first, so if he ashed me, I could have went into Red Eyes. 1, 2, 3. So there was Talent, Nerval, and Ash. What did I get? I got Talent. I'm actually liking Talent. Talent's pretty dope. Red Eyes, Fusion, Chaos Hunter, Lightning Storm, discard. When your opponent special summons a monster, except during damage step, you can discard 1 card, special summon this card from your hand. Your opponent cannot banish cards. I need stuff to banish. Discard Kit, but then you chain link 3 Gamma. Special summoning the drivers and itself, negating but not destroying. Dragoon cannot be destroyed by card effects. Chaos Hunter goes through. Same with the Kit. Kit's gonna dump Nerval. Nerval's gonna add Fractal. Well, now I have Dragoon pops. Dragoon pop. I'm like, what the heck? He only takes half of the attack because of Pot of Prosperity. Right here. Any damage your opponent takes is half, so. Pop. Oh. Talent. Terraforming. I sent back his terraforming, so now he has a crossout designator in his hand. I set the imperm, and end phase Gamma gets banished. Crossout designator, he called Ash, and he said, "Good game," and yeah, surrendered. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Does he have a deck? 414. He does have a deck. Asier907. 414. We were at 1192, 1210. Oh my god. Oh my god, cards. 414. 414 right there. Let the net decking begin. The fuck is a fly in here? If you guys didn't know, you could hold the control and it will lock you into that card. You could do that in game as well. Triple lightning storm. Wow. Triple talent. $44 card deck, main deck. Boral sword. That is a nice, clean side deck right there. Still at 260. Come on. I'm sure I'll give you a sub, dude. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.